Hi, this is Zeedign Tutorials, and in this video we are going to learn how to enable or disable the auto select functionality of Move tool in Adobe Photoshop. Auto select function in Adobe Photoshop is quite useful in most cases, where we can simply click on something and its particular layer will get selected on its own. For example, I can click here and its layer will get selected. I'll click here and this image will get selected. But in some cases where we have hundreds of layers which are pretty close to each other, it may get complicated because moving around with all these layers, we may need to disable this feature for some time so we can keep things manual and we can manually select some particular layer to work on it and without misplacing any other layer in the process. So to do that, it's quite simple. All you need to do is your Move tool must be selected, and you will notice these settings on the top, and here you will find Auto Select, and it will be checked. This checkbox will be checked by default. All you need to do is click on it to disable the Auto Select. Now if I click anywhere, none of my layers will get selected, and now I have to manually select the layer I want to work on. And I can enable this feature at any point again by simply selecting this checkbox again, and now I will be able to select any layer by the single click like it used to be. In addition, you also need to understand this drop down here, which is a layer, which is stating layer by default. But if in the drop down you pick group, then if you have some layers saved up in some group, then the entire group will get selected if this option is being selected here. So now, for example, if I click on this icon, by default it would have just selected this layer, but now if I click on this one, it will select the group which contain this particular layer. So it has selected the entire group other skills. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial. It was all about disabling and enabling the auto select functionality for Move tool in Adobe Photoshop. I hope it was helpful to you. Have a nice day. Thank you.